Removing a PowerEdge power supply unit. Replacing a power supply unit is a simple action. If the server has two power supplies configured in redundant mode, which is the default setting, you can remove one of them without the server shutting down. The remaining power supply will continue to provide power to the server. In general, all components with an amber removal tool can be unplugged while the server is powered on. To remove the power supply, disconnect the power cable from the back. Press and hold the orange release tab whilst pulling the handle. Once removed, you can add a new power supply, pushing all the way in until it clicks and reattaching the power cable. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and make sure and check out our other videos for other handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.